First, press Windows into I to open the Settings menu. Once the window opens, look to the left and click on Accounts. Now scroll down a bit. You'll see the Sign-in options. Click on that. Under the Password section, click Add to create a new login password. This brings up the Create a Password wizard. Enter your new password, then re-enter it to confirm. You can also add a hint or leave it blank. After filling in the details, click Next and then Finish. Now here's something to keep in mind. If you notice the screen flicker or go black for a moment, don't worry. That's just the system applying the new security settings, not a glitch. Once it's done, you'll see everything is working properly. And that's it. You successfully added a password to your Windows account.